All right, so here's the speed test of the Umidigi F1 on the right and compared to an iPhone 7 on the left. Both are on Mint, which is a T-Mobile network provider. I have Wi-Fi disabled, so you're going to get a real-world test here of, at least in my area, what the speed's like. And again, the Umidigi F1 on the right is a $200 phone versus the iPhone 7 at the time was $650, I believe. Okay, here you can see the results. With the iPhone, it is a bit faster, but it's not that much faster. And again, there's a huge price difference between the two. Then what we'll show you next is just some of the response times in some of the apps, to give you an idea, and I'm also going to test out the speakerphone. So let's jump into that. So in Google Maps, it zooms in very quickly. It's not jittery at all. Allows you to zoom in nicely, just like all of them. All right, now let's check out with YouTube. Okay, let's get into some gaming here. I've got Temple Run 2. What you will notice is that the iPhone does load faster, the iPhone 7, but again, the Umidigi F1 is still very functional, and it works well. It's got all the graphics, same thing there. The iPhone screen is slightly brighter. I have both of the both brightness set down high. I do have the sun coming in from behind me. And you'll see here it was a little challenging to play both games at the same time, but I end up restarting here, so you'll get to see that. All right, so just one call out on the screen itself. The screen protector it comes with is actually that plastic loose kind. It's not made of glass. So you can see here I actually scratched the plastic lens that it came with, the protector. I'm just going to peel that off. The screen itself I'm sure is fine, and I recommend ordering 2 glass ones. One thing that is annoying, I'm not used to having like all the 3 buttons to power the volume up, the volume down all together like that. It can get a little confusing, but those are the only shortcomings I've been able to find on this phone. In general, it's a very responsive, does everything that I need it to do. I'll show some photos and pictures later on when I get a little bit more time, but at least this gets you a little bit more information. Check it out, $200. Got it on AliExpress, and have a great weekend. See you guys. Bye.